Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. Let's understand Eclipse shortcuts for every Java developer should know. So, if you want to open a particular file, then what is the shortcuts, right? So here, like I have multiple classes, right? If I want to open a particular file, so instead of going to this package and searching for that file, directly, if you know that name, you can use shortcut Control Shift R. Here you can type class name like arithmetic operations, right? Here you can see it's giving arithmetic operations interface, right? It's open the file. Suppose if I don't know a gate name, then I can use star Control Shift R and type star and type arithmetic. So it's giving all the files, like I am giving only a, so a.java all files from me. If I give star v, so every file that be name is giving, right? Suppose, let's see, I created a class, right click and create a class like test, right? And in this test class I created array list, student, student IDs, right? Suppose, and I created private hash set places. Let's suppose I deleted the import, so it's giving error. So if you want to import these classes, so what you can press Control Shift O to organize the import, right? Suppose you want to maximize this file or minimize this file, you can press Control M, maximize, and you want to minimize the file, press Control Shift, right? Suppose you want to delete this line, keep the cursor, then press Control D, right? It's deleted. So here you can see these unused import, right? So if you want to remove these unused import at a time, then press Control Shift O. So this organize the import, that so it removes unused import and keep only that is using in our code. Suppose if this is here and I want to format the code, so what you can do, press Control Shift F. So this will format your code. If you want to comment a line, then if you want to comment a line, then press Control slash, right? If you want to comment uncomment this line, again press Control slash. Suppose you want to comment multiple lines, you want to do multi-line comments, then press first select these and press Control Shift slash, right? So it will do multi-line comments. If you want to generate getter and setter, then press Alt Shift S R, right? Here you can generate getter and setter. Alt Shift S R. Here you can generate getter and setter, right? Select all and generate. Here you can see is generated getter and setter for this variables, right? If you want to generate two string for this method, for this variables, what you can do, you can press Alt Shift 2 times S, 1 2. Here you can see you can generate two string method here. So select all and generate, right? How? Alt Shift double S, generate two string method. If you want to see all the method and variables declared this in test class, so you can press Ctrl O. Here you can see all the variables and method declared in the class. Array list, array method, string, everything. Right? Suppose you want to replace this, you want to rename this student as array list, like student ID only. So what you can do, if you want to replace or change this name, so you can press Alt Shift R and you want to replace in everywhere. If you change, it will change only this line. But you want to change in everywhere, so what you can do, select and press Alt Shift R. Go to options and here give name what you want to rename. Student ID, right? Click on OK. Here you can see it's replaced in all lines, in the files everywhere. Suppose if you want to create main method, type ma, press enter, right? If you want to print something on the display, so you can type syso, hit on enter. Test.